Hello everyone, check out our Instagram page for upcoming diecast releases and please follow for future updates. A new and clean pictures of 2023 Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt, a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL in beautiful sparkling maroon with second number decal on hood, has 2023 second Super Treasure Hunt and will appear on stores this year. An upcoming Ford Escort RS2000, new model in Mainline but for 2023. You can check and review episode on Lamley Group YouTube channel. Upcoming Nissan Patrol as 4x4 car, another new model for 2023. A new model for 2023 Mainline, Volvo 240 in maroon with chrome interior and yellow glass. A new car for 2022 from Hotwheels Cyberpunk Porsche 911 Turbo from Retro Entertainment Mix K case. New Disney Pixar character cars. Our first car is Remy from Ratatouille as chef van with black rims. Mike Wazowski from Monster University, single one-eye character car as same as car with chrome rims. Doug from Doug Days, a yellow delivery van with black rims and black grills. Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story with 5-spoke rims, some green body effects as spacesuit. Sully from a Monster University movie, a blue monster truck with bladed rims. Woody from Toy Story, a main character from movie with 5-spoke gold rims as a cowboy theme. Wall-E from a Wall-E movie added some rusted effects on body. This is the end of our video for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon so you can stay up to date. By the way, I am your host Yash. See you in next video.